Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you're fine. You're doing fantastic. I'm so sorry my face can't be seen here, but we have my cute and moisturized feet. So guys, in today's vlog, like you can see, I want us to do a video on how you can be able to have a soft and clean toes overnight. You do away with cracked heels overnight. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put water in a bucket, and this water is warm water. Then I'm going to add a sea salt to the water, and then after that I'm going to add a shampoo to my water, like you can see, and then I'm going to add a soda ash. There it goes. And then after that I'm just going to mix everything using my hands, and to make sure that my water is having foam, or it is producing foam. And because I'm extra, I'm going to add a citric fruits, that is lemon and orange, just for that extra go. And then I'm going to dip my legs inside there, like you can see, and then I'm going to soak them for some few minutes, and then after that I'm going to scrub them. So yeah, you can grab a book, you can take your popcorns, sit and relax during this soaking. In the meantime, I'm going to use the lemons inside that I've added, just to wash my nails, my toenails. Yeah, so guys, this the lemon is going to ensure that I can be able to remove scars. Remember those scars that we got when we were young, like my legs are full of them. And I heard that those people who have scars, it means that let's clean the tools and leave that story for another day. Yeah, so guys, then I'm going to use this softer blush to get away the dead skin. Remember, this time it has softened after soaking, so removing it becomes very easy. Like you can see, I just scrub each and every place to ensure that all the dead skin is out. And then I'm going to do that to both the feet, is the feet or both legs. Yeah, I'm going to do that to both heels. So like you can see, slowly but sure. And then after that I'm going to ensure that my nails are clean, so I'm going to use a toothpick to remove that that may be in my nails. Like you can see, whatever I'm doing. So today I'm not applying any polish to my nails because I had done that. I'm just ensuring that my heels are soft and my dead skin is not there, it's removed. Then guys, I'm preparing a coffee scrub. That is what I'm going to use to scrub my legs. Like you can see, I'm going to use sugar, coffee, and then we have honey, and then I add coconut oil. I mix well, and that is what I'm going to use to scrub my legs. Ensure it is well mixed, and then I'm going to scrub my legs all over. Like you can see, guys, after this the legs will be so soft, and right now they are already feeling clean, like they are feeling so pampered, like zimendekezwa sana. And guys, this is going to give me a glow. And when I'm wearing my open shoes, you can really tell. Yeah, if you have a partner sharing a bed, make sure that you don't kwaluza them with your heels. Make sure that your legs are clean, make sure that they are soft, and this is one of the ways to ensure that they are clean, soft, and they are growing. That from afar someone can be able to notice them. So guys, I'm ensuring that I'm scrubbing everywhere, my legs, my toes, my nails, everywhere. I'm just taking my time to pamper these legs. Don't forget to scrub in between your toes. Then I'm going to soak them just for a few minutes inside the water that we were using before, and then afterwards I'm going to rinse off the coffee scrub from my legs, using the same water because it has these ingredients like the soda ash, which are enhancing in making that the toes and any dead skin is able to come out so well. Yeah. Then after this, I'm going to rinse off with now clean water or plain water without anything. And there you can see my toes. Then I'm going to wipe them off, and then from there I'm going to moisturize. Yeah, guys, can you see that? Can you see? Can you tell? Can you? I'm in love with my toes already, and they are feeling so clean. I wish you can know the feeling, but you can be able to know it by doing this DIY at home. Yeah, so if we were doing a pedicure, that now we could have now added polish to our toenails. But now see that it's overnight and the legs are ready to get into that duvet, those white sheets. Yeah, so guys, can you see? So thank you so much guys for being in here. Thank you for standing by, coming to my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe, you share, you like. Yeah, until next time, see you and thank you. Let me go to sleep now.